Join me as I hunt down the top iPhone 16 Pro cases on Amazon for 2024 and see if I can find the best ones that truly live up to the hype. The iPhone 16 Pro is a beast of a phone, with its sleek design, powerful cameras, and lightning-fast performance. But let's be real, it's not exactly cheap, and the last thing you want is for it to get scratched or damaged. That's why investing in a good case is essential. When it comes to finding the perfect case for your iPhone 16 Pro on Amazon, the options are endless. I mean, there are literally thousands of cases to choose from, and it's easy to get overwhelmed. You've got different materials, different designs, different levels of protection. It's a lot to take in. And let's be honest, not all cases are created equal. Some are cheaply made, some are overpriced, and some just plain don't work as advertised. So, how do you separate the wheat from the chaff? How do you find a case that not only looks great, but also provides the protection your phone needs? That's what we're going to dive into today. We're going to take a closer look at some of the top-rated cases on Amazon and see if they live up to the hype. I've spent hours scouring through reviews, reading feedback, and testing out different cases, and I've narrowed it down to a few that really stand out. First up, we have the OtterBox Defender series. This case is a beast, with its multi-layer design and rugged construction. It's not the prettiest case out there, but it's definitely one of the toughest. Then there's the Spigen Rugged Armor case, which offers a great balance of protection and style. And finally, we have the Tech21 EvoCheck case, which is one of the most versatile cases I've come across. The OtterBox Defender series is definitely one of the most popular cases out there, and for good reason. It's got a reputation for being virtually indestructible, and it's easy to see why. The case is made up of multiple layers, including a soft inner shell and a hard outer shell, which provides maximum protection against drops and scratches. It's also got a built-in screen protector, which is a nice touch. But what really sets it apart is its rugged construction. This case is built to withstand even the toughest conditions, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone who works with their hands. The Spigen Rugged Armor case is another great option. Unlike the OtterBox, this case is a lot more stylish, with its sleek design and variety of colors to choose from. But don't let its looks fool you. This case is still incredibly tough, with its double-layered construction and raised edges to protect your phone screen. One of the things I really like about this case is its grip. It's got a textured back that makes it easy to hold on to, even with wet hands. The Tech21 EvoCheck case is probably one of the most underrated cases out there. It's not as flashy as some of the other options, but it's still an incredible case. What I love about this case is its versatility. It's got a built-in kickstand, which makes it perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. It's also got a unique checkered pattern on the back, which provides extra grip. And the best part? It's one of the most affordable cases on this list. So, which of these cases takes the top spot? In my opinion, it's the Spigen Rugged Armor case. It's got the perfect balance of style, protection, and functionality, making it the ultimate case for anyone with an iPhone 16 Pro. But honestly, you can't go wrong with any of these options. They're all top-notch cases that will keep your phone safe and looking great. So, there you have it, the top iPhone 16 Pro cases on Amazon for 2024. Whether you're looking for something rugged, something stylish, or something that's just plain affordable, there's something on this list for everyone. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other tech reviews for more recommendations. What's your favorite iPhone case? Let me know in the comments below.